My name is MC Tush, and it's TUSA to talk on the Something Happens, and I'm excited to be here at the World Agritourism Festival.
I'm Adiola Akojenu. I feel so great for being part of this maiden edition. In fact, the first of its kind in the world. I feel so great, so blessed that I'm part of this generation to experience this kind of a laudable program in Nigeria, in my country.
I registered.
Oh wow, thank you very much.
My number is 25.
Wow, number 25, you're quite early.
To show my commitment.
To show your commitment. So if you are still there thinking that is this a scam or does it really look realistic, just come to us at Xtralarge Farms and you will know what it means to, marry agriculture and tourism together. And
I feel recognized as a retiree and as a widow. I know that the company has always been very fair, and the investments and the agricultural aspect has been very wonderful.
Where you combine agriculture with all the stress that comes with, and now make it a lot more interesting by combining that with tourism. Our colleagues have actually been there, and we have seen how we can have a fusion of both agriculture profitability and as well as having tourism linked with it. So I think it's a fantastic combination, and I can only wish the company to grow from strength to strength.
That is why we are going to break through to all the world, being the first ever that is coming into being in Nigeria. We are so much proud of it that it's Xtralarge that is flying the flag high.
You're flying the flag high. I love that.
I know farming, we will make farming easy. As long as labor is involved, happiness and making of money is also involved. You audit as well to eat, earn, and as well enjoy yourself.
And it's also a great pleasure hosting change makers, the movers of the green revolution here on our green carpet. I want to say thank you to everyone here. Thank you to the members of the crew. Thank you to all Xtralarge family, home and abroad.